in this question, it's given that the investment is $9,900 and per unit cost is $0.65 and the selling price is given as $1.2. Now, we need to find out how many units have to be produced so that the revenue is equal to the total cost. So that's the question. Let's say X units have to be produced. All right. Now, what's the total cost if X units are produced? That would be the investment, which is 9,900 plus the per unit cost into X, right? So the total cost is 9,900 plus X into 0.65. Now, if X units are sold, what would be the selling price? That would be 1.2 into X. Now we need to find out at what value of X cost is equal to revenue. So let's equate both of them. So we get 9,900 plus 0.65x is equal to 1.2x, right? So 9,900 is equal to 0.55x. Now you could have arrived at this equation logically also. Look at this part over here. The selling price is 1.2 and the cost per unit is 0.65. So the difference between the selling price and the per unit cost, that's equal to 1.2 minus 0.65, which is equal to 0.55, right? So you're getting plus $0.55 for each unit. Now, by producing X units, you should make up the initial investment, which is 9,900. That's the same thing. Like logically also, you could have written this equation, which is the same thing that we got over here. Now we just need to find X. X will be 9,900 divided by 0.55. So let's solve for X. So I'm adding 2 zeros over here and I'm moving the decimal point by 2 places to the right. Now let's take out 5. Okay. Now you get 198,000 divided by 11. And yes, you can divide this by 11 also. You can see that by the divisibility test that this is divisible by 11. So by dividing by 11, you will get the answer as 18,000. And that's the correct answer, which is answer option D. Now let's look at what is being tested in this question. Over here, this question is based on fixed cost and variable cost. You should be able to write the total cost is fixed cost plus variable cost into number of items, right? And again, notice another interesting thing was over here, we have the selling price and the cost price. You can get the profit per unit. So profit per unit into number of items should be equal to the initial investment so that you are able to make up your initial investment. Now, if you make one more sale in addition to the particular number that you're getting over here, which in our case was 18,000, right? If you're making your 18,001 sale, the next sale, that would create a profit for the company. Till that time, there's loss. At 1800, the company is breaking even, and with the next sale, the company is in the profit or in black. All right. So that's what's being tested in this question. Now do check the description to know more about my other GMAT programs. All the best in your preparation.